Okay, tell us a little bit about the history of the hair. When did you grow it long?
As soon as I was late, until I was about 12, my father kept shaving it off my head, and when I went to secondary school I started to let it grow, and it got a bit long there, and they tried to make me cut it, so I threatened to start a student union, and the whole thing kind of, they didn't want a student union, and I didn't want my hair cut. I used to cut it once every 2 years, but now I get it cut twice a year. I have to kind of look respectable in it all, you know.
That's your effort at looking respectable, is it?
Oh God, I actually go to a lot of effort. I wash every day. I mean, I try and be clean, and Count Corla doesn't agree with my dress sense, but then there's a lot of things he doesn't agree with, so I don't really worry too much about it.
Yeah, are you worried now that as we're going to be dyeing that hair that you could get in trouble with the Count Corla? He might not allow you into the chamber.
My mother says I was in trouble from the time I was about 3 months old, so nothing new there. Actually, if you look closely at it anyway, it's mostly grey.
But it's white, actually. It's Santa Claus.
It's all kinds of any colours. In fact, it doesn't look as white since I grew the beard, because the beard is snow white. Now the hair is starting to look a little better. Have you not noticed?
And has it ever seen a comb?
Oh God, no. Oh Jesus, where would I be going with a comb?
How much of a challenge is Mick Wallace's hair?
God, I'm up for it today, am I? No, it'll be fairly easy. Definitely compliment you anyway, that's for sure. I think pink is your colour. It'll bring out your cheekbones anyway.
Are you thinking of doing the beard as well, or will you leave the beard as it is?
Oh no, we leave that as it is, yeah. We have to leave him with some of his own personality, so no.
Okay, this is a challenge for me. This is the first time I've ever done live commentary of somebody getting their hair washed. And given that Mick Wallace has so much hair, this means I might have to be talking about it for quite a long time.
If he's don't do him pink now, this deal is off. I'm going to hide for the weekend.
Why do you think I said you go first?
Now, do you want to take him back up?
Okay.
I don't, you haven't combed it, are you?
Why, do you not normally brush it?
Is that
no, I don't know.
Are you not going to get a bit more into
Oh, you can if you want.
Yeah.
No, let him alone.
Hold on a second. No,
don't mind him.
Mick, you haven't even seen it yet, because it's only at the back, really.
That's good. That's enough.
I think you need a bit up top.
Don't mind them.
Sean Barrett will not see it if it's only.
Well, that's not really very important now, is it?
Right.
We need to get you doing there.
You do. We don't need to get Mick for that. No, it's fine.
Wait, sure you can go out a picture of you both.
The jersey's a better pink, isn't it?
Well, there is that. And I haven't even actually checked the colour before it's being applied to my hair.
It needs to be a bit darker.
It does, doesn't it?
You see, Mick, now we were very good to you, and that actually is a very nice, subtle job.
Listen, yeah. Goes with his eyes.
Mick, you noticed. That's so sweet of you. As a Leeds fan going back to losing to Chelsea in the 1970 FA Cup final, I can't be having Chelsea blue.
I could name the Leeds team for you on the day.
Go on.
Sprake was in goal.
That's right.
The two centre halves were Jack Charlton and Norman Hunter.
Correct.
Just maybe look at one day. Just look at one day.
Yeah, we're looking at you. Yeah, come on.
No, actually, give some sort of smile.
I am smiling.
Now, at least look at each other now. Just look at each other.
Well, you're asking too much now. Look at I looking at
Interest blue eyes.
What?
Look right
yeah,
at the blue eyes.
no, come on. Listen, I get out of here. Not enough now. Come on now.
Mick, you're very good. Thank you very much. Thank